this together to celebrate an icon. Prince Ned is a really, really huge inspiration to everyone of us.
You know, the bad people they carry the come now. Maybe we still carry good things. Maybe we still celebrate with those who say they celebrate. Hey, my people. Hey, now Regina, my sister. Oh, my beautiful sister. Hey. Hey, if you never watch that video, I'll leave her me una watch her. Now about Regina and her husband and her, you know the last time I para. I said, why our daddy Ned Nwoko go call his wife princess? Now, I don't come. He don't rearrange. Me una pardon the noise, I mean, mommy. So welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is the first time of coming across this this channel, my name na Naija Daughter TV. This channel, I dey bring news. Anything when my hand grab, I dey bring her. But you know, Regina Daniel. In fact, I too like that girl. I too love. I be like, I too like her. They take care of our grandpapa, our papa, our grandpapa, now our papa. Oh, as my sister, they take care of our papa. I love them. Oh, wait till I bring come on the table today. Now go ask me. Me knock my door. Me I open door. Me I open the door. Our beautiful sister Regina Daniel, she don't come out. She throw away a birthday surprise for her husband. Woo! Happy birthday. What I want call because I be senior Regina. I senior Regina Fafa. Regina, our last Bobu senior. What I want call our happy birthday to our. What I want call her now, because in my own town, person when you senior, you support your husband go to respect you. Let me think whether I will call my daddy. Now daddy I will still call him because no matter what say, small pikin carry the no go still. Yes, I just say may we still happy, you know. May we pardon my background noise. Yes, my children dey holiday. I just say may I still come out, may we still laugh small, you know. Yes, our daddy Ned Nwoko, his wife Regina Daniel throw away birthday party for him. Then the thing when he reach my liver echo me. If Regina throw away big party for her husband like this, you and me when they look, what do you don't do? Because I was shocked. And Regina who come and say her husband, they inspired them, they admire her husband, Abishi they admire, Abishi they look at her husband, you know. My sister, hey, Regina. Don't. I love you, Sha Regina, okay? I love you as you just carry yourself. You throw away birthday party for your husband. Happy birthday, our daddy Ned Nwoko. That might be marry my junior sister. I must still call you daddy because you be our daddy. But last time, you know, I come for this my channel when you call your wife princess. I said no, you're supposed to address her as a wife, as a queen. But today now, Regina Daniel says she's very happy. Una they drink parador for another man headache. Regina say she love her husband. She's happy to be a wife to Ned Nwoko. You think they sweet? Mama, no be me talk. I will leave the video now. Still watch her. He says she they happy when she be named wife. She's very happy. For the big life. Abi, which one? May I leave that one? No. And our papa still come outside. He said, as far as her wife still happy to be her wife. And then he said, he still they happy as Regina they happy say to be Regina happy as he be Regina husband. He is still happy to be a Regina husband. Two of them they are happy. If today out there they say how my baba go just the top of go just they do one. Now they drink paradol for another man headache. Two of them love each other. Regina do surprise her husband. You don't ever surprise your husband. You and me when we they talk so. You don't ever surprise your husband a secret birthday party. No. You never surprise your husband a secret birthday party. We know, but our sister when they say, now small pikin, I senior most let me. If you talk at me, I senior. You don't do one, Naija daughter. I never do one more, but our younger sister. She don't show us one example. Though you know there with the but he still don't see and love is blind. But for me, no be love. Now the life when she really love, when she really like to live. Now the life now she they live. So now waiting me just see. I not come here to come bachelor. No, I just come here to celebrate with her. She now surprise her husband with birthday party. Ned Nwoko. He say that a birthday no big thing. Yes, he said birthday no big thing, but now the biggest and the highest something when his wife do for her, as Regina Daniel when do for her, he did very happy. Now go still watch the video, my people. As far as the husband and wife, they are happy. Me, I'm happy with it. But our daddy, happy birthday to you. Regina Daniel, our beautiful sister, our actress. More celebration. Oh, this video are not concentrate well. My children, they distract me a lot. Ah, mother. No, God will bless mother because it's not really easy, my people. It's not easy. And our sister, Regina Daniel, she talked, she said, last night was a real beautiful day. I am so happy that got to celebrate and I'll put on ecom. I am grateful to God Almighty and to everyone who come out celebrate with us. Wow, Regina Daniel. This is lovely. People, commenters, her lovers, you know. This one said the one that married their mates. One said the one that married their mates are failing in their marriage on a daily basis. Still, you guys are here strolling on a young girl that is working so hard to see her marriage flourish forever. Her marriage is already 4 years with 2 healthy boys. Meanwhile, so many of you trolling her are still struggle to maintain a relationship, not to talk of marriage. God will hear you guys, my people. And it's true. He said, now only you, where are the other wives? This is what women, young girls, are putting themselves into because of money. You married many wives and you decide to go out with only one person all the time. This is not fair. Another bastard don't come. Some sweet, they say so. This our sister and I say, where is the other co-wives? He said, only Regina Daniel, now this our papa, just they carry the follow body. So where is the other co-wife? Yes, our papa, our Ned Nwoko, he preach polygamy. You know me saying that one person go just choose. At least you treat all of them equally. That is true. Me, as far as say you be poly and you dey preach poly, you supposed to treat all your wife equally. This comment I will drop am for them. He said, where is the other co-wife? That is true. Now, what we supposed to add Regina and her husband because the man gets other wife before. I be other wife don't come out. Now, only Regina can't dey on board or other wife just dey inside house. They don't even send them again. Now, Regina they send. And it's not good. I believe many people who be Muslim, please drop your comment if you come across this my video. A Muslim man who marry many wives, they don't they treat their wife equally. I believe that is how it's supposed to be. If you marry, treat your wife. In my tradition, if a man married 2 wives, they will say, now you have 2 hearts. If you marry 3 wives, they'll say, now you have 3 hearts. If you marry 4 wives, they'll say, now you have 4 hearts. Then you will love your wife equally. You will do everything for them. That is true. Where is this our Baba, other's wife, other co-wife? Where are they? Yes, another comment, he talk say, wetin other co-wives not do, Regina Daniel do am. But this our second commenter, he break the table. He say now wetin many young girls they love to do because of what is there. You know, I talking from my beginning just now. What is there, and that is true. What is really there? Because if this our Baba, he not get this money, maybe not forget the bank, forget it. Our sister Regina, he will not try and do and that is true. Let's tell ourselves the truth. But where is those co-wife? Where is other wife? Now waiting this commenter talk. Please, if you know anything, whether our Baba Ned Nwoko is still there with other co-wife, I already know about him. Moroccan wife when they divorce, when they go their separate way, that is good. But where is all that other one? Because our Baba they preach about poly, but the poly our Baba is not doing it right. It's supposed to still be showing them, but maybe if they show them love secret for inside room, inside house. Maybe Regina na social media figure, na social media person. That's why they see all those one. Maybe all that they love to stay quiet. I don't know, but you are free to drop your own comment in the comment section. Our Baba I come with peace. I just say let me not be every day. They say hey this picky now make me carry this your news come. I don't mean anything bad. I don't mean anything harm. I happy birthday, many years to celebrate. I wish you in your new birthday, anything you wish for, may the Almighty God give you. Yes, but my vote I no give you. And una son say me una give us. They shout, may you still shout happy birthday to daddy. Yes, so happy birthday to your papa, to your grandpapa. No, this girl, no let them beat you. Sorry, my beautiful sister Regina. Happy birthday. His son wants to say happy birthday to your daddy. Now not gonna give her a mic. Una forgive her a mic. My beautiful sister, I admire you. I admire you. Yes, keep the good work. If your husband gets other wife, always let your husband to know. If now you they feel they talk to your husband now, let your husband know to show others love. Okay, show other your co-wife love. Okay, because you are doing it to God, not to any human being. Because I believe now you just the sweet now. still remember him say, if wetin they no do you, if our baba see another 4 years tomorrow, or no, how many I talk? Okay. See another 30 years to, okay. See another 16 years tomorrow. You, they come package you put for one corner. If they no sweet you, other co-wife every day. Oh, I not get right to talk for your family, but now wait till you become out now with this shit. As that commenter talk, say, where is the other co-wife? And tell our baba say, make they treat them well. As they tell the truth. Papa Ned Nwoko, happy birthday to you. We will not see thumbnail. Regina. Oh, thank you, my beautiful sister, Anita. I'll drop her channel name. Please, this morning I upload video. I see her for there. Yes, she did there. Where I know who did. Please, if you never get her, go and get her. Okay. Let her subscriber hit 1,000. Please, if you they follow me, please go and subscribe to this my beautiful sister Anita. Me want to get the premiere. They sleep that time. Yes, I no rest. I need to rest. Oh lo lo lo. Goodbye. Oh lo lo lo.
It's my pleasure. I'm so happy that we can put. Oh, it's my pleasure. I'm so happy that we can put all this together to celebrate an icon. Prince Ned is a really, really huge inspiration to every one of us. Like, I'm his wife, but every day I still admire his ways of life, his reasoning, and just everything about him. And I must say, I am very, very happy to be his wife. Thank you, everyone, for coming here to celebrate him. Thank you.
My wife, Regina, said that she's happy being my wife. I just want to say that I'm also happy being the husband. Every day, she inspires me. Truly, every day, she inspires me. I wonder where she gets her strength from. The strength to do her work, the commitment to her work. And look, I am not a birthday person. I have never been. So this is the biggest surprise to me.
Now everybody go to breakfast.